Got the throttle body off there, and we've got a Toyota Yaris, and the throttle sticking. It's just the butterfly and throttle body's all cooked up by carbon. So we're going to clean that. That'll solve the problem for sticking throttle. So you can use a carb cleaner. If you haven't got that, you just use a WD-40 or NAS Pentate. Now it'll do the same thing, or even kerosene. So and these will do. So see there, the throttle butterflies for the 30. So we'll clean it up, and we'll use a soft brass brush. And these are available on my website there if you need a kit of these brushes. It'll do clean these air valves or whatever. I've got a hard brush and a soft one. So anyway, we'll get her sprayed up, and I'll use the glasses. I'm using these sprays. And the gloves. And let us soak a while now. Do this work. It's coming off ready. Let's get the soft brush. It's a brass brush. That'll loosen up the carbon. So if your Toyota Yaris is sticking in the throttle, it's usually the butterfly, not the throttle cable, is the cause. Give her a good old clean. Same on this side. Getting fairly well cleaned up already, so give it a good old you actually feel the throttle getting looser there now. You want to wear eye protection when you're spraying this. So And then you hold the throttle open. And you bring your old spray. These brushes are fairly soft, don't do any scratching. So, very good old clean. And you can dry it up a rag. You see the carbon coming off there. That wee bit of carbon, this could makes the throttle stick when you're going to put the shoe in again. So the throttle pedal will feel hard and won't move. That's because of the throttle to stick. So you think the problem's in the cable, but it's on here. It feels got a sticky cable, but it's actually the butterflies is all cooked up. So if you have a Yaris and this problem, this is the one solution. I'll get a cloth and I'll clean it with dry it. You can actually feel